guys, kamusta? Hello. Ay nako, everyone. I just want to see if I'll be able to talk in front of the camera. To be honest, I'm not that comfortable. First of all, I'm not that good in talking in English. I mean, in conversing in English. Gusto ko lang i-try. Just wanted to try. And actually, I don't like to make things complicated. So, I have decided that even if I'm not that fluent, I think I have to conquer my fear. So, eto yan. This is it. I have to practice talking in front of the camera and hopefully encourage someone who is also overthinking or not sure about, hesitant in kung may manonood or wala, someone will watch this. I don't know. I'm just practicing. Thank you.